to my Science Academy. Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss structure and function of nucleus. Nucleus is the most important organelle of the cell. Nucleus is crucial for genetic information storage, controlling cellular activities, coordinating protein synthesis, and facilitating cell division. So first of all, we will learn about the functions of nucleus. Number 1. Storage of genetic material. The nucleus houses DNA, the genetic blueprint which dictates cellular structure and function. Number 2. Regulation of gene expression. By controlling which genes are transcribed into RNA, the nucleus influences protein synthesis. Number 3. Cell division. During cell division, nucleus ensures that the DNA is accurately replicated and distributed to daughter cells. Number 4. Production of ribosomes. Nucleolus manufactures ribosomal RNA and assembles ribosome subunits which later leave the nucleus to participate in the protein synthesis. Robert Brown was the first scientist who discovered nucleus in 1831. In eukaryotic cells, the DNA is enclosed in a double membrane bounded true nucleus, while in prokaryotic cells, the DNA is present in the cytoplasm of the cell as no true nucleus is present there. In animal cells, nucleus is located in the center of the cell, while in plant cells, the nucleus pushed towards its periphery due to presence of large vacuole. The cells containing single nucleus are called mononucleate, while those with two nucleus are called binucleate, with three nucleus are called trinucleate, and so on like multinucleate. Nucleus containing chromatin network is only visible when cell is in a non-dividing stage. It disappears in dividing cells and chromatin material is replaced by chromosomes. Next we will see the components of nucleus: nuclear envelope, nucleolus, nucleoplasm and chromosomes. Nucleus is surrounded by a membrane that separates the nuclear content from the cytoplasm. This nuclear membrane acts as nuclear envelope that is composed of two membranes. The outer membranes that continuous at places with the endoplasmic reticulum and inner membrane encloses the nuclear content like chromatin, nucleolus and nucleoplasm. This nucleoplasm is a jelly-like substance similar to the cytoplasm that provides medium for molecular interactions. These outer and inner membranes are continuous at certain places, giving rise to nuclear pores. These nuclear pores allow exchange of material between nucleus and cytoplasm. The number of these pores is highly variable. For example, in undifferentiated cells like egg cells, the number of these pores are about 30,000 pores per nucleus, while in the differentiated cells like erythrocytes, the number is 3 to 4 pores per nucleus. Nucleolus involves in the synthesis and storage of ribosomal RNA. It is the site where ribosomes are assembled and they are exported via nuclear pores to the cytoplasm. It is composed of two regions: the outer granular area, which is composed of precursors of ribosomes, and the inner area, that is the fibril area, that contains large molecular weight of DNA and RNA. During cell division, the chromatin material is converted into thread-like structures called chromosomes, which are held at spindle fibers. Each chromosome consists of two identical chromatids. So, the identical arms of these chromosomes are linked together at the centromere. It is the point where spindle fibers are attached. Genes are located on these chromosomes. If we talked about the chemical structure of chromosome, it is composed of DNA that is wrapped around the proteins. Here this structure is known as nucleosome. All the information necessary for cellular activities are carried on the chromosomes in the form of genes. Genes containing these informations are transferred generation after generation. The number of chromosomes remains constant generation after generation in all individuals of the same species. For example, in man the number of chromosomes is 46, in frog the number of these chromosomes is 26, in chimpanzee the number of chromosomes is 48, and in fruit fly the number of chromosomes is 8. The number of chromosomes in normal body cells is diploid 2n, while in germ cells the number of these chromosomes is haploid n.